Baby hair clipper, Higher Brillante Professional Cordless by Brillante Professional was one of the best sellers among baby hair clippers products. Complete hair clipper kit Higher Brillante Professional Cordless Haircut Kit with extended accessories, including 3 guide combs, 0mm left guard, 3mm 6mm, 9mm 12mm to meet your baby hair cutting needs. Removable blades and guide combs make the hair clipper easy to use and clean. Safe and comfortable. This professional hair clipper is designed for baby. Sharp ceramic blades are designed with safe short teeth, no hair snagging or pulling and no heat conduction during hair cutting. The R-shaped rounded edge design protects baby skin from scratch. The smooth guide comb, skin-friendly, can comfort the baby. Low vibration quiet design Higher Brillante baby hair trimmer with low vibration and ultra quiet makes working noise less than 45 decibels, to help baby feel relaxed and not be afraid of hair cutting anymore. Parents can use this quiet hair clipper without worrying about waking up the baby even while sleeping. Ergonomic and IPX7 waterproof. This baby hair clipper with symmetrical and streamlined provides a comfortable hold grip design, long-term use without fatigue. IPX7 waterproof, whole body washable, wash just in the tap. Even if the baby is taking a bath, parents can also have haircuts for your baby. Rechargeable and hassle-free warranty. Adopt high-capacity NEMH rechargeable battery, USB portable charging, can be charged by desktop, laptop, power bank. At Higher Brillante, not only the manufacturer offer high-quality products, the manufacturer back them up with 18-month warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee.